face, someone bumps you, everything falls. There goes the days of work. So, someone was like, let's make this faster and smarter. So, late 1800s, someone was like, let's use metal and mold it into making a line of type. So line O type, a line of type. So how it works, you have here your keyboard, you have here your capital letters, your lowercase, and then all your abbreviations that you would need. A person would be typing. These are keys. Keys had different types of fonts on them, depending on what you wanted it to look like. They would be falling from the top really, really fast, going into these different sections here and slotting them into a line. So they would be like this.
Be all aligned, okay.
All aligned like that. When you were done making your phrase, you would push this down. This would lift all of the line, push it over this way here. Back here you have lead and two other metals that are bubbling and boiling in the back. Melt it all down. It would infuse into the keys that are currently in here. Infuse into it. And once cooled and finished, cooled and molded, the line of type would fall from down here, and then you would have your finished mold. These keys would then be taken up by the arm that's up here, brought back up, as you can see there's some here, and then reorganized for more phrases to be made. So that is how you would make your line of type. Made it much easier. If you needed it for a few uses and then you're like, okay, I don't need it anymore, back into the pot, melt it down, start all over again. This is called a proofer. So you would proof if you had to print like over 100 something and you don't want to make sure that there's no spelling mistakes, no errors, making sure that everything is good. You'd put it here, put your piece of paper, take a roll, with ink, put your piece of paper, roll this, take it off, and then you can take a little look at it. If you see, oh, there's a missing A, have to restart, put the A, redo the phrase, whatever it may be, until it was perfect, and then you can print it out without making 100 copies of a mistake. Because we've all done that, even today. So yeah. The bigger the machine, the bigger the product. Something like this is small. Something like this would be more medium products. That big machine there, the cylinder printer, cylinder press, it would be for magazines or all of newspapers.
And books or?
Books too. We have a book binding here, so you can press down the book to bind it all together. But yeah, anything that requires printing, advertisement, brochures, movie tickets, tickets for concerts, magazines, I don't know if I said magazines, books, newspapers, letters to friends, cool types of letters, cards, anything that we have now that come with printing had to be done at a facility like this in the
Impressionante, crónicas de la Sorprendente. En una situación.
Thank you.